Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make or add a drop-down menu on. So let's get started. So in order to create a drop-down menu, you can see my menu in here first. So what you can do is you can click on this pages and menu. And then from in there, you can see all the pages or menu that I have on my website. So for in there, I just need to click on the sub-menu title. This is the icon for that. Click on that. And then in here, just name it however you want. So for example, I want to name general. I can name it general in here. Now what I can do is I can move pages from in here into this general. So this will serve as the folder or the parent of this page. So for example, I want to put travel under the general tab. So I just need to scroll down until I reach general and then put it under general and then swipe until on the right. Then as you can see, it will be added in the general page. So here's the general and under that is this page with this kind of mark. So just do this repeatedly until you're done with everything. So for me, I'll just move it as well and then put this under general. So let's head back here and then put that under here. So let's just do that as well right here. So as you can see, it's been added. So for this one, I'll put in another one. I'll put in relax and I'll put it under general. And here you can see relax will be added. You can also move this if you want and move this up and down depending on what you want. So when I exit the site pages and menu, I can see the general tab right here. So let's take a preview of this changes that we have created. As you can see, it will load for a while. So let's just wait right here to open the preview of what we have done. So in here, just hover general. I didn't click anything. I just hovered. And then just click what you want to click under travel, eat, or relax. So here I'll click on the eat one. And then once I have clicked it, it will redirect me to this specific page that we have in this one. So on the preview mode, we should be able to head over to this specific pages, even if you don't see it. And this will serve as a hover menu. So we can also edit it on the phone or edit it for the mobile. So just switch up to this mobile layout. And then this will switch your preview to the mobile layout and you can see what it looks like on mobile. So it looks like this on mobile. Just click on these three lines. Then in here you can see the general tab. So as of right now, it has been expanded, but you can unexpand it just like that. And when you click on one of them, you should be able to head over and see what it looks like on the specific page. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add drop-down menu on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.